Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a product that was sent out to me by TobenONE. Now this is one of their 20-in-1 desktop hubs. Now I have been waiting to upgrade my hub here in the studio for, oh my goodness, such a long time. And when they reached out to me to send me this specific unit, the first thing that happened is a light bulb went on in my head and I was like, this is going to be ideal for my desktop setup. So what we're going to do in this video, guys, is I'm going to show you guys exactly how I have this set up. Now, normally in these videos, you know, I would go through and undo the unboxing and show you all the things that come with it. Yes, it comes with a power supply. Yes, it comes with a couple of cables. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use it on a daily basis. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. So the first thing that you're going to notice in the box is going to be this power brick that you guys see here. This comes in two pieces. So you're going to have to connect the cable like you see here. It just goes in like so. And then you have your barrel plug on the opposite end. And you're going to plug that barrel plug into the hub and everything is going to be powered. All right, guys, now that we have everything plugged in, I want you guys to see this is a 20-in-1 hub. So if I unplug this really quickly here to give you guys an idea of how I have everything connected here, I have a variety of USB-Cs, USB-As. I also have access to full-size SD card, to my mini SD cards. And on the back here, you guys can see we have 4 HDMIs, 4 display ports. One of the HDMIs I'm using, we have Ethernet, 2 additional USB connections down here, and your power input. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this guy back in. All right, so now all I have to do is hit the power button here. All right, guys, so the only thing you have left is to connect to your computer. I'm going to just plug this into this USB port here. I also have this audio interface. I'm going to plug this guy in here as well. And now I have audio as well as video. So everything should now connect. All right, guys, as you can see, everything is connected, including my Stream Deck, my audio interface, this little monitor here. I can easily open any file that I choose to, and I can drag it over to the other monitor, which really comes in handy. Being able to connect all of my peripherals, you know, my audio interface, cameras, webcams, things like that, lasers that I use here in the studio. This little hub right here, I think, is a rock star. Now, as far as temperature goes, I don't feel any additional heat coming off of this guy. Now, I did install the DisplayLink app onto my MacBook here, and you most likely will have to do that with your Mac or PC, whichever device you're using, if you're going to be using multiple monitors. But what's nice about this is that it's seamless from one to the other. You can go in and adjust the resolution based on your monitor. So, you know, everything that you're going to want for the most part, guys, is going to work with this hub. I am a huge fan of these, and I think you guys will be too. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.